everything keeps going higher, and I wanted to talk about XRP. It's currently went all the way up to 78 cents, and you can see there's an uptrend there. The latest news on XRP. Also, I wanted to show you this. Top stories. XRP leads in major cryptos. Bitcoin holds above 42K. So you can see it's going up and it's still in the green. It's up 17.85%. Then here's an article. XRP gains 30% after Ripple gets permission to explain fair notice defense versus SEC. So in the lawsuits, the SEC versus Ripple, there was like a breakthrough that they get to explain their fair notice defense. And they're saying that after that, this is what caused XRP to break out, because this might lead to regulation. And also, I just wanted to show you something here on Twitter about XRP Flare. Flare CEO updates XRP holders on massive upcoming Spark token airdrop, and that a full roadmap to Flare launch will be released in the coming weeks. And this was on February 5th. Today is the 7th, so 2 days ago. They're talking about the Spark token airdrop, which many XRP holders have been waiting for. So that's going to be coming up. And also the Flare launch, which if you've known about it, it's been in testnet, and it would be exciting to have the protocol, the network launch. So that's one thing that's happening with XRP. The other thing is with their lawsuit, getting to use the fair notice defense. And yeah, everybody's been waiting for XRP to start moving, and it's finally moving. And also, some people believe that XRP will lead the way, and it seems like it is in gains, leads gains in major cryptos. So as far as the percentage, this percentage is going higher than the other ones. Okay, so if you see also Bitcoin is going up because it went up to like 42,000. It was at 41, so the gain is 6.34%, and then Ethereum's gain is 6 and 6 cents, or 6.06 in gain. But if you see XRP, that had a 17.85 gain. Now what happens is sometimes these things will pump and then they'll retrace. We don't know if it's going to hold or if it's going to keep going higher. So that will be interesting, but everybody's been waiting because it kind of like it had went past $1 and then it went retraced all the way back here. But now, hopefully at least it'll hit $1 or beyond. I mean, people have been giving crazy price predictions, but which could happen. But the all-time high is around $3.85, I believe. And if we could at least get to that, that would be nice, because the other ones like Bitcoin and Ethereum and a lot of other ones have reached their all-time high and they surpassed it. We know this with Bitcoin because it was 20,000 maybe like last year or so, the last few years, and it went up to 40,000, even 60,000. So it went way beyond it. its all-time high. XRP never did that. It never even went to the $3 again. So everybody's going, what's going on here? So I don't know if the price was suppressed or what is going on, but everybody's definitely, it could be the lawsuit, of course. That's what everyone um, seems to believe. I mean, it is true, you can't really trade the XRP on many exchanges. So that is kind of strange when it's not tradable. Not everywhere. You can, like on Uphold, you can buy and send it and stuff like that, and you can do it in the Zoom wallet, which is not an exchange; it's your own wallet. You can do it in wallets, send it to your wallets. But if you've had it like on Coinbase or certain places and it's there, um, you can't move it because at first Coinbase said like, yeah, you won't be able to trade it, but you'll be able to withdraw it. I believe they said that, but I have like a little bit of XRP on Coinbase Pro that I had put there just in case it did reach its all-time high. I had a trade in and I canceled it because of what happened. They said they weren't going to support it on the exchanges, but they said, "Oh, you'll be able to withdraw it." So when I went around to try and withdrawing it later, they said you couldn't. So it's still like stuck there. It's not a lot, but it's still XRP. To me, it's like valuable. Most of mine was in my nano ledger, so it didn't really matter. But yeah, but probably this is probably the reason why it's such a delay because I've probably been holding it at least for 5 years, and usually they say you should hold something for 5 years and expect it to do something. But under this circumstance, um, yeah, we don't know what's going on here. So I'll be interested to see uh, if this price increase will maintain and it'll even go higher because according to all the partnerships and all the XRP that's moved around and being used, shouldn't be this should have increased in price. It should be a little bit more valuable. But I mean, nobody knows. But anyway, I just want to let you know that the price action is changing, at least for right now. Whether it will hold or not, I don't know. But it should be interesting. And that's all I had for you today. If you like this content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.